Can I go later? I don't know, I have to think of something. I don't even know what I said.
I love dentistry because we get the opportunity to change people's lives. It's just something that's so awesome to see people genuinely happy when they leave our practice.
My favorite thing about dentistry is definitely educating my patients of how important it is to keep the teeth nice and healthy.
The one thing that I love most about dentistry is just the impact that I can personally have, as well as the impact that my team can have by just changing people and building their confidence.
It's just a good way to impact people's lives. Just confidence or health, both.
The type of dentistry that we do here is so different. It is so customized, and we really get to know our patients, know what they want, and when we can achieve that for them, it's life-changing for us as well.
I love anything creative, using my hands, really taking something and turning it into something beautiful, which is really in essence what we do here at City Smiles.
One thing that I've found over the years is that it's not about veneers, it's not about implants, it's just about impact, and it's about, you know, putting confidence back in people so that they can just kind of show up as themselves.
We're just here to really change people's lives one smile at a time.